Welcome to part 3 of our series, Practical Ways to Integrate Prayer into Everyday Activities. If you're a believer seeking to deepen your connection with God, this message is for you. Our daily commute, often seen as a mundane necessity, is in fact a golden opportunity for spiritual growth. Whether you're behind the wheel, riding public transport, or walking, these moments are a canvas for divine connection. For those who drive, let each mile be a journey in faith. As you navigate the roads, engage in prayers for safety and guidance. With every turn and every mile, envision your car as a moving sanctuary where each moment is an intimate conversation with God. Reflect on the beauty of the journey, the changing landscapes, the different neighborhoods, and the diversity of life that unfolds outside your window. In the solitude of your car, find solace in the presence of the divine, turning your focus inward and upward. On public transport, embrace the rhythm of the journey. Observe the world passing by and offer prayers of gratitude. Each stop is a reminder of life's constant movement and God's presence in it. Use this time to reflect on your blessings and the beauty of human connection. Look at the faces around you, each carrying a story, a struggle, a hope. Pray for those you see, for their joys and their challenges, and feel the bond of humanity that connects us all. Walking commutes hold a unique charm. Let the rhythm of your steps become a meditative prayer. Feel the connection with the earth, the air, and the bustling life around you. Each step is a chance to express gratitude, seek inner peace, and feel closer to the creation around you. Notice the details of your path, the texture of the sidewalk, the color of the leaves, the architecture of the buildings. Each element is a testament to God's intricate design and a reason to marvel in wonder and thanksgiving. But how do we make these moments count? Start by setting an intention before your journey. Decide that this will not just be a commute, but a pilgrimage of the heart. Dedicate this time to spiritual contemplation and connection. As you step out of your door, take a deep breath and commit to this sacred journey. Acknowledge that this is not just another transit, but a purposeful path towards spiritual enlightenment. As you travel, focus on your breath and the presence of God. In traffic, instead of frustration, find patience and send prayers of love and peace to fellow commuters. Let each red light be a reminder to pause and cherish the moment. Reflect on the pauses as opportunities to reconnect with your inner self and with God. Use these moments to offer up prayers for the world, for peace, for healing, and for love to permeate every corner of our existence. When waiting at a station or a crosswalk, use these pauses to look around and really see the sky, the people, the hustle of life. In these pauses, whisper prayers of thanks for the world's beauty and complexity. Observe the clouds, the way they shift and change, reflecting the transient nature of life. Feel the breeze, a gentle reminder of God's subtle yet constant presence in our lives. Witness the array of human life, each individual a unique creation of God, and offer a silent prayer for their well-being. If your commute involves interaction with others, use this as an opportunity to practice kindness and empathy. A smile, a kind word, even a silent prayer for a stranger's well-being can be profound acts of faith. Think about the power of a simple gesture, how it can transform someone's day, how it can reflect God's love and compassion. Be a vessel of His grace, extending warmth and understanding to those you encounter. As our journey today concludes, remember that each commute is a chapter in your spiritual story. Transform these everyday travels into a passage of reflection, prayer, and connection. Contemplate the lessons learned, the insights gained, and the peace experienced during these travels. Recognize the spiritual progress made in these seemingly ordinary moments, and carry these lessons into your daily life. Join us as we continue to explore practical ways to integrate prayer into our daily lives. Follow and subscribe to our channel for more insights on living a spiritually enriched life. We'll delve deeper into other aspects of daily life, finding God in every moment, every task, every interaction. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your commutes be filled with peace, reflection, and divine presence. As you go forth, carry this sense of spiritual awareness with you, letting it illuminate your path and guide your steps. Remember, every journey, no matter how small, is a step towards a deeper understanding of the divine. Embrace each day as a sacred opportunity to grow in faith and love, transforming the routine into the extraordinary.